In this video, we will show you how to download video from Pinterest. There is two options you can download video from Pinterest. First, using web browser. This is suitable if you are using laptop or computers or using smartphone web browser. First method, using an.safrom.net. You can just type an.safrom.net. This is the URL. Okay, after that, hit the enter. Then you can paste the URL of the video on the Pinterest like this. For example, we can click copy. After that, we can paste on the savefrom.net here. This is the first method. Okay, suitable in any device. Just click download the MP4 here. Then you can download with click these three dot icons and select download and select save, for example. And you can play the video on your device. This is for the first method. And the second method, you can using extension, and this is suitable if you are using computers or laptop. Not recommend if you are using smartphone. Just click these three dot icons on your Chrome web browser and select extension and visit Chrome Web Store. Just click this. After that, type the extension fetch v. Okay, this is the perfect extension for video downloader. Just click add to Chrome and click add extension here. After you install the extension, make sure this is the extensions. After that, you can replay your video from the 0 seconds. You can replay like this to detect on your extension here. Okay, if no video found on your FetchV, just reload the URL of Pinterest. Now you can replay your video here. Okay, you will see all of your video is detected here because there are many video in here and also in here. Just click this and select the first video. So you will find the natural beauty, the 4K wallpaper video, and click save here and save on your device. It is also the same. You can see we can open the video on our device. Okay, that's all tutorial how you can download video from Pinterest using two methods. First, using an.safrom.net, and the second using FetchV. Okay, the FetchV is suitable if you are using computers or laptop, but the an.safrom.net is suitable in any device. So this is just up to you. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.